Hello students, this is Rahmat Khan from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home and studying regularly. So dear students, today in this video we are going to revise chapter 6 of civics, that is political parties. So let's start. So when we talk about political parties, the first thing which comes to the mind is, what is a political party? The answer is, when we say political party is a group of people. Now this group of people come together. Why they come together? To contest election. Because unless and until they don't contest election, there is no chance or there is no way to get power. Because this is democracy, and in democracy we elect our representatives. We should remember this always, okay? So now when we talk about political parties, so what are the functions of political parties? For the functions, we need to go this side, okay? These are the functions of political party. So the first function we have here is a group of people with similar views of programs and wish to promote it. The group will have same ideology, same thinking. That's why they come together, because they want to achieve something. Now to achieve this, they will contest election, okay? They will come in partisanship. They will work with each other and they will contest elections. I have told you, unless and until they don't contest election, there is no way, there is no chance to get power. Because in a democracy, you can make laws or you can make changes. Unless and until you don't have power, you can't do it. When you have power, you can. Fine. So policies and programs are framed. Who frames these policies and programs? These are the leaders, our representatives. And where they do this? In the legislature. Okay? Making laws. Laws are debated in legislature itself. And they are passed with the majority when it gets the support of the majority. Okay? So we are discussing the functions of political party, and we have the function here. The common one are contest election. They come together to contest election. They frame policies and programs, okay, for making laws, work as opposition party. We hear this term, okay. Now what is the role of opposition party? It's very important. They work as a critic, okay. They point out all the negatives in the party which is ruling. Ruling party is that party who is in the majority and who is running the government. So this opposition party, क्या करती है opposition party? अगर रूलिंग पार्टी अगर ठीक से काम नहीं कर रही है, कुछ गलतियां कर रही है, उस गलतियों को कौन पॉइंट आउट करता है? दिस ऑपोजिशन पार्टी, एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, शेपिंग पब्लिक ओपिनियन. डू रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, एवरी पर्सन इन आवर कंट्री हैज अ व्यू. उसकी एक सोच है, वो चाहता है कि ऐसा हो, कोई चाहता है ऐसा हो. नाउ दिस आर द ओपिनियंस ऑफ द पीपल. Now these are fulfilled by the political parties, and because of that only the people will choose them. That's why they vote them, and this is the duty of these people, the representative, to work according for the people, to support the people and to solve their problems, right? Next one is comprised of leaders, active members and followers. So we have three people here. Who are they? Leaders, active members and the followers. So these are the functions of political party. Now political party system. Let's talk about the political party system. When we talk about political party system, we have single party system. Example, this is followed in China. We have bi-party system. Example, USA, United States of America. And we have multi-party system. Our own country, India, is example of multi-party system. So single party system, wherein there is only one party. वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक party होगी. There is no choice here. Example, China. Bi-party system, there are more than one party. That is two party we have. Bi-party, two party system. Example, USA. Okay, this is also democratic. And multi-party system. When we talk about multi-party system, in India, we know we have different culture, diversity, and to solve the problem of every person, one party cannot do it, and that's why this is best suitable for us. Which one? Multi-party system. So remember one thing, party system, and which party system to be used, it depends on the culture, diversity and the population. Okay. Next we have the challenges to political parties. Challenges are everywhere, and now we are talking about the challenges related to political parties. So challenges to political parties. What are the challenges faced by political parties? Okay, first one, lack of internal democracy. When I talk about lack of internal democracy, that means within the party itself they don't work properly in a democratic manner. पार्टी के अंदर ही वो डेमोक्रेसी के प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू सपोर्ट माई व्यू, दैट इज द लीडर्स ऑफ पार्टी. पार्टी के लीडर्स को कौन सेलेक्ट करेगा? ऑल द पार्टी मेंबर्स. बट दिस डज नॉट हैपन. ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, ओनली फ्यू मेंबर्स सेलेक्ट द पार्टी लीडर. ओके, देयर आर नो रेगुलर मीटिंग्स हेल्ड. ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस आर नॉट टेकन by the consent of all the members. अगर कोई इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन लेना है, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हर एक मेंबर से पूछे. Only the few members who have the power will take the decision. There are no elections held to select the party leader. So this is the first challenge, lack of internal democracy. Second one is dynastic succession. When I talk about dynastic succession, it means those who belong from one family, from that family only the person gets chance for the higher post. मतलब ये कि for example, I am just giving you example. For example, I am a chief minister of Rajasthan. I am just giving you example. So if I have a son, मेरा बेटा है, तो what will happen is I will give him more chance कि आगे आकर वो भी high level पर position उसको मेरे पार्टी में मिले. This is called dynastic succession. Now what is the problem with this? इसके साथ क्या चैलेंज फेस करना पड़ता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे बेटे को अगर कुछ आता ही नहीं है, बट देर आर अदर मेंबर्स इन द पार्टी हु आर ब्रिलियंट, नाउ दे वोंट बी सिलेक्टेड, एंड लाइक दिस द पर्सन हु नोज नथिंग विल बी द हेड ऑफ द पार्टी. This is dynastic succession. Next is money and muscle power. When I talk about money and muscle power, political parties, by hook or by crook, their aim is to only win the election. Now for winning the election, what they do is they sometimes select a candidate who has criminal record or he has money. अब जिसके पास पैसा है वो पैसे के पावर से वोट्स खरीदना चाहता है. And like this, what they do is they play with this money and muscle power. Okay, and they give the ticket for the people who are criminal records. Now this is also a challenge, right? No meaningful choices. This is also one of the biggest challenge. No meaningful choice. That means the voters, the people, they sometimes have no choice. ऐसा लगता है कि सब ही बराबर के ही हैं. All are same. कोई भी सही नहीं लग रहा है. Okay? No doubt we have an option. हम आज ऑप्शन है हमारे पास कि किसी को भी वोट नहीं दें आप. Okay? पर this is wrong. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. No meaningful choice. Okay? So these are the challenges to political parties. Okay? Next, reformation of political parties. Reform, बदलाव लाने की बात कर रहे हैं. कैसे करेंगे? Okay? What are the reforms? Law against defection. Now the Supreme Court has passed a law. This law against defection. Defection का मतलब है after the election, when a particular candidate wins the election, what happens is the other party tries to pull that person in their party. चुनाव के बाद में, जीतने के बाद में कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि जो जीते हुए लोग हैं उनको दूसरी पार्टीज अपनी ओर खींचने की कोशिश करते हैं. ओके, हाउ? दे विल ऑफर देम गुड पोस्ट और मनी. नाउ दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ. विच लॉ? लॉ अगेंस्ट डिफेक्शन. डिफेक्शन का मतलब है जहां पर कैंडिडेट दूसरी पार्टी में ज्वाइन करता है जीतने के बाद. पर आज ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल है बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉ, बट स्टिल इट हैपेंस. ओके, फाइलिंग ऑफ एफिडेविट. एफिडेविट, दिस इज कंपल्सरी, नेसेसरी. व्हाट इज फाइलिंग एफिडेविट? फाइलिंग एफिडेविट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं अगर चुनाव लड़ना चाहता हूं और उसके पहले मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई नीड टू डिक्लेयर माई प्रॉपर्टी, माई अर्निंग्स, माई क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड्स, एवरीथिंग. ओके, पब्लिकली मुझे डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा शपथ पत्र पे, एफिडेविट. फाइन. So this is also very important. By this, people can understand what kind of person a particular person is. Okay, holding of internal elections. No doubt, it is said to hold the internal election by the Election Commission also, to hold internal election within the party. Okay, suggestions of reservation and state funding for political parties. Okay, this is political parties. Fine. Suggestion for reservation and state funding for political parties. Now there is a suggestion that the political party should be funded by the states itself, ताकि करप्शन कम हो, क्योंकि प्राइवेट लोगों से अगर वो फंड लेंगे तो नाउ आफ्टर विनिंग, जीतने के बाद उनको सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो उनका भी पावर इन्वॉल्व रहेगा. बट स्टेट अगर फंड करेगा पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को, सो उनको किसी और के ऊपर डिपेंड रहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ सजेशन, एक सजेशन है दैट द पार्टीज शुड बी फंडेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. फाइन. So these were the reforms in the political party we were talking about. Let's talk about national political parties and state political parties. When we talk about national political parties, which are the national political parties? Okay. So first of all, the criteria. अगर एक national political party को अगर मुझे national political party कहना है, तो criteria क्या होगा? 6% votes in legislative assembly. Okay. लोकसभा election that is, and और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इलेक्शन के अंदर 4 स्टेट्स में उनको प्लस 4 सीट्स इन लोकसभा. ओके, आई रिपीटेड, 6% ऑफ वोट इन लोकसभा इलेक्शंस, या तो 6% वोट होने चाहिए उनके लोकसभा इलेक्शन में, और लेजिस्लेटिव इलेक्शंस के अंदर 4 स्टेट्स में 4 सीट्स वो विन होने चाहिए, तभी वो फुलफिल करते हैं, एक क्वालिफाई करते हैं नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लिए. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, वी हैव इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, वी हैव भारतीय जनता पार्टी, नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी, ओके, बीएसपी, सीपीआईएम एंड सीपीआई, एंड द वन मोर न्यू इज ऑल इंडिया नेशनल ट्रिब्यूनल कांग्रेस. ओके, दिस ऑल आर देयर इन आवर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट देम. ओके, उन सब के बारे में हमें पढ़ना जरूरी है. दे आर देयर इन आवर टेक्स्ट बुक विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्टेट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, क्या क्राइटेरिया है एक स्टेट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लिए? 6% ऑफ वोट्स इन लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इलेक्शंस प्लस 2 सीट्स इन लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. ओके, एक तो 6% वोट होने चाहिए उनके लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इलेक्शंस में स्टेट्स के अंदर, एंड प्लस दे शुड विन 2 seats in legislative assembly. Okay, we have some of the examples here: Samajwadi Party, okay, Samata Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front, okay, Telugu Desam Party. So these are all the examples of state political party. So this is about the political parties. I request you to go through the video properly, revise properly, and study nicely and get ready nicely. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.